Okay, Shabab, greetings, Shabab. This recording is only based on question 1 only, which was added to your exam after I made the first recording. So I just wanted to add question 1 only. So we will go straight to slide 32 to discuss question 1, and you need a calculator for this. Let's go straight to question 32. There we go. It says you need to apply the law of conservation of mass. So as we discussed, the law of conservation of mass states that we cannot create matter, or we cannot destroy matter in any physical or chemical change. What does this statement mean? It simply means in a chemical reaction, the products are always equal to the mass of what? Reactants. So in your book, they write it like this: the law of conservation of mass, the mass of reactants equal to mass of the protons. Reactants are the substance at the start of a chemical reaction. Their mass at the beginning, at the start, is always equal to the mass at the end. Product means at the end. That is the meaning of the word product. So in this video, in this case, I have 80 grams at the beginning. I add 1 to 2. I react. When I say react, it means I plus. I react mass 1 and substance 1 and 2. The mass is 80. If this system is closed, we are always getting the same mass, 80 grams at the end. In simple terms, this is the law of conservation of mass. So know that the mass at the beginning is equal to the mass at the end. Apply means you will solve 1 or 2 questions. So question 1, you will solve a question which apply this. Let's solve the questions now. Look at this. Hydrogen. So hydrogen, H2 means hydrogen. Reactants. Hydrogen reacts, it means plus here. The oxygen. What is the mass? 2. 2 grams. Reacts, it means I plus 2 grams plus 72. It's 73 at the beginning, at the start. So the mass of the reactants is 73 grams. What will be the mass here? I complete this table. It will be 73. Okay, let's go to number 2. Magnesium. Mg means magnesium. When you look at your periodic table, it's 48. Reacts with oxygen. Reacts, it means I say plus. 48 plus 42 plus 32. I have 80 at the beginning, 80 grams. What will be the mass at the end? The mass should be equal. So here it's also 80 grams. Mass of the reactants equal to the mass of the products. Let's come to number 3. This is a bit tricky because they give you the products. What is the product? Mass of the products? 124 grams. So the 2 reactants here must also give us 124. But already I have 32. So what is this mass? When I add 32, I must get 124. So to get this, I will say 124 minus 32. Check your calculator. I'm getting 92. So here it's 92 grams. When I say 92 plus 32, I will get 124. So which is equal to this one. Let's jump straight to the end. So do question 4 for me. Let's go to question 6. Sorry, do question 5 for me. Can we do question 6? Here I have, is this 100? It's 10. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. What is this mass? I don't see it clearly. Yes, it's 160. So here I have 160 plus the 54. How much is it? You get the mass. Now we come to the reactance. So I must get in total 4, 11, 214 grams at the reactants. So here 102 plus what to give me 214. So I will minus 214 minus 102 grams. This is the mass here. Tell me what is the mass and show me in class. Use your calculator. So must be in the exam. Let's go to the next slide. Here, use the image to help you calculate the mass of the products. Product means at the end. What is the mass? 2.01. This is the number 1. Reacts or plus with this. What will be the mass at the end? Mass of the products. So it means you simply add 2.06 this one. I'm getting this one. Okay, let's come to number 2. 200 grams. This is the beginning. I'm forming calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. At the end, this 150 plus what here? It must balance with the 200. So what mass is here? So it means I have to minus 150 from 200. I'm getting 50. I'll get 50, which is D. Use the same concept for number 3. I want to make the video short. It's oxygen. Reacts. Reacts means plus. 144 magnesium. What is the magnesium oxide? The product. You add this, and this is what you get. Let's go to the next question. This is from your book, then we are done. These are the simple questions we need to solve. From the laboratory process to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen. So you are starting with water. You are separating it, so you are making hydrogen and oxygen. These are the products. Okay? What is the... a student collected 10 grams of hydrogen and oxygen. So in the process, when you put your water, this is when you got 10.0 grams of hydrogen and how much? 79.4 grams of oxygen. At the end, what is this mass? Simple. 10 plus 79, I'm getting 89.4. So the water collected must also balance the same mass, 89.4 grams, which is C. A sample of magnesium reacts with oxygen to form a sample of magnesium. So Mg, magnesium reacts, it means plus means reacts with oxygen to form. This is forming the product. Our product is magnesium. There's an A there. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is the product. So no way to put the masses. For magnesium, it's 10.0 reacts with oxygen to form. So we are forming 16.6 grams of magnesium oxide. How much is the oxygen here? We don't know. How many grams of oxygen? We don't know. But grams, when we add 10, we get 16.6. So I said 16.6 minus 10. What are you getting? Give me the answer here. Simple. 16.6 minus 10. Get your calculator and give me the answer. In short, this is the video, the short video where we added question 1. This is another question again. A student gets 125 grams of one substance reacts, it means plus 90 grams. So 125 plus 90 That's how much at the end. That's 215 grams. Two products are produced. It means you are going to form A plus B. But when you add A and B, you must get the same as 215. Which of the following possible masses of these two products? So when you add all these, you must get 215. So add A, B, C, D, E, you must get which one is giving 215 grams to balance the mass of the rating. So that's how we have to solve question 1, mass of ratings equal to products. I want to make this video short. This is only question 1. All the other questions I gave you in the previous video. Watch that video, very important. Friday after. No.